In today's video, I will walk you through how to check trading volume on BingX. Want to know if a cryptocurrency has enough trading activity before you buy or sell? I'll show you how to check trading volume on BingX and explain why it's an important metric for every trader. Let's get started. From the home screen, tap or click Spot to access the spot trading interface. Next, select the trading pair you want to analyze, such as BTC to USDT, ETH to USDT, or any other cryptocurrency available on BingX. Once the trading page loads, you'll see the price chart along with several pieces of market information. On the trading screen, look for the 24-hour volume displayed near the market statistics. This number shows how much of the cryptocurrency has been traded over the past 24 hours. You'll also notice volume bars at the bottom of the price chart. These bars represent the trading activity during each chart interval, such as 1 minute, 15 minutes, 1 hour, or 1 day, depending on the time frame you've selected. Higher bars indicate more trading activity during that period, while shorter bars indicate less activity. Trading volume helps you measure market activity and liquidity. Generally, higher trading volume means there are more buyers and sellers in the market, making it easier to enter or exit trades with less price slippage. Lower trading volume may indicate less market interest, which can result in larger price swings and wider bid-ask spreads. Many traders use volume alongside price movements to help confirm market trends instead of relying on price alone. Before placing a trade, it's a good idea to compare the trading volume of different cryptocurrencies. Coins with consistently high trading volume are often more liquid and may offer smoother trade execution. And that's how to check trading volume on BingX.